There are two ways to work with AI. Most professionals use push prompting. You can write the prompt, push it to the model, and evaluate the output. If it isn't good, you revise and try again. This works, but it places the entire cognitive burden on you. You're responsible for anticipating every parameter the model needs to produce a high quality response. There's a better approach for complex security tasks, and that's pull prompting. Here's the difference. With a push prompt, for example, here are 50 log entries. What's suspicious? That prompt will generate a generic response. The model doesn't know your environment, your baseline, or what suspicious looks like in your specific context. With a pull prompt, for example, you'd say, I need a threat hunting hypothesis for potential lateral movement in an Active Directory environment. Ask me every question you need before you begin. Now, the model drives the information gathering. It will ask about your environment, your baseline, or what suspicious looks like in your specific context. The pull prompt, another example would be, I need a threat hunting hypothesis for potential lateral movement in an Active Directory environment. Ask me every question you need before you begin. Now, the model drives the information gathering. It will ask about your environment, your observed anomalies, your detection capabilities, and your timeline. You answer each question. Then it builds the analysis from a fully contextualized foundation.